Hi, it's Lucas with YOGABODY, and I'm recruiting future yoga teachers. When I receive applicants from potential teachers, one of the most common things I hear is self-doubt. I'm too old, I'm too young, I'm too fat, I'm too thin, I'm too shy to speak in public. The list really goes on and on. Self-doubt for potential teachers can literally be crippling. I've been training teachers since 2006. And there's three things that I've learned. Number one, the best teachers are never the fittest. They're never the youngest or the ones with perfect bodies. Great teachers come in all sizes and shapes. Number two, what I've learned is most of you are spending way too much time on Instagram and you think that teaching yoga is about doing perfect handstands on the beach. I'll tell you, your students, they don't care. Great teaching is about enabling transformation for them. It's not about you at all. Number three, I've learned that a great teacher can come in all sizes and shapes, all ages and abilities, all backgrounds, all body types. Since 2006, I have been training teachers. I have over 4,000 graduates teaching in 41 different countries in 13 different languages. And the big difference is we train mind-body fitness professionals. That means no chanting, no chakras, no incense, no ohms. We focus on the science of yoga and the business of yoga to really help people transform. So let's talk about you. If you have a passion for yoga, if you've been thinking about becoming a yoga teacher, but if self-doubt, if insecurity is a big part of what's holding you back, I'd encourage you to spend some time on our website, read the profiles of our trainers, of our teachers, of our graduates, and I think you'll find someone whose story you can connect with 100%. Someone exactly like you who's doing really, really well as a teacher. Thanks so much for your interest in the Yoga Teachers College. I look forward to reading your application, and I hope to see you in class very soon.